Happy Tuesday! Today is Tuesday. 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 Tuesday, Tuesday, clap and sway, because we're at school our second day. Yay, Tuesday! Tuesday begins with the letter T. Tuesday. Here is our number. Let's count from 14, and let's figure out what number this is. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We made it! It is all the way at 30 today. We're working on an AABB pattern. A, B, B. A again. And what is A? A butterfly. Good job. So today is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Let's talk about the same beginning sound. What has the same beginning sound as apple, kangaroo, or airplane? Apple, kangaroo, airplane. Apple and airplane have the same beginning sound. They both begin with a ah. Bear. What has the same beginning sound as bear? Book or net? Bear, book, or net? Bear and book have the same beginning sound. And what sound do you hear? A ba, ba. Good. Last one. What has the same beginning sound as dog, hippo, or dinosaur? Dog and dinosaur have the same beginning sound. Good job. So caterpillars, I need your help today. I need to get to this flower pot right here. We're going to use an algorithm, which is instructions to help me get there. Okay, so let's think about a way that I could get there the fastest. And we're going to code our way over there. So how would I get to that flower? Using these squares. I could go to the right, to the right, 2 squares, right? 1, 2, okay? And then what would I need to do? I can move down and down. Would that help? Would I get there? Down and down. We did it! I got to the flowers. So I moved 2 spaces, 1, 2, and then I moved 2 spaces down, 1, 2. And I was able to get there. Good job. All right, tell me how many objects you see. 1, show me with your fingers. 3, 5, 2, 4. Good job. What numbers do you see? 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 6, 8, 9. All right, we're going to look at this. I want you to make sure you're just listening. We're going to add to it, okay? So we're adding our objects together. If you have 2 teddy bears and somebody gives you 1 more, how many will you have all together? If you have 2 and somebody gives you 1 more, you will have 2, 3. If you have 1 teddy bear and somebody gives you 1 more, how many will you have? Oh, you had 1, you got 1 more, you will have 2. If you have 3 teddy bears and somebody gives you 2 more, how many will you have all together? Good job, you will have 5 because you had 3 and somebody gave you 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this time let's take away. If you have 5 teddy bears and you lose 1, how many will you have left? you have 5 and you lose 1, how many will you have left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lost this yellow one. All right, let's do one more. If you have 3 teddy bears and you give 2 away, how many will you have left? You have 3 and you give 2 away. 1, 2. How many will you have left? 1. I lost these 2. I will have 1 left. We are all talking about seeds and gardens this week here at school. So we're going to count the numbers in our 10 frame. All right. How many do you see? 1. Good. I'm going to push the 1. Good job. How many seeds do you see in the 10 frame? 1, 2, 2. How many do you see in the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3. Is this a 3? That's a 5. Is this a 3? Good. How many do you see in the 10 frame? Ooh, I see 1 less than 5, so I know that is 4. Here's the number 4. How many do you see in the 10 frame? Do you know how quick I can look at this and I see that whole first frame filled up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that is 5. How many do you see in the 10 frame? Good. A 6. Where's our 6? Right there. How many do you see in the 10 frame? A 5 and a 2. 5 and a 2 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. How many objects do you see in the 10 frame? 5 and 3. I saw 5 here, and 3 more would be 8. Ooh, how many do you see in the 10 frame this time? 1 less than 10 is 9. And here's our number 9. How do I know it's not this one? Because the circle is at the bottom. Good. 9, the circle is at the top. And how many do I see in my 10 frame? It's all filled up. So how many is that? It's a 10. Good job. Let's say the sound to create the words. Are you ready? B, I, G. B, I, G. B, I, G. Big. It's big. Good job. Let's read this sentence. What word is this? S-E-E. See, I see. What word is this? T-H-E. The. I see the. What word would this be? Cat. Cat. I see the cat. How many words are in that sentence? I see the cat. There are 4 words in that sentence. Let's look at our pattern real quick. All right, let's say them together, the colors. Red, orange, red, and red and orange. What is the missing bear here? What color would it be? Good, it would be an orange. Red, orange, red, orange, red, orange. Good job. All right, let's look at our next one. What is the missing one in this pattern? I have green, blank, green, blue, green, blue. I think it's an A-B. A-B, A-B. So B is missing. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Good job. And what is the missing one in this pattern? Purple, purple, red. Purple, purple, red, red. I see 2 purples, 2 purple, purple and purple. I see red and red. So what would this one be? Purple, purple, red, red. That is an AABB pattern. Good job, AABB. Let's look at this ABC pattern. Yellow, green, blue, yellow, green, blue. ABC pattern. Could you make your own ABC pattern? So I want you to get 3 different colors, and I want you to just draw a circle on each one. So you can pick your 3 favorite colors of your crayons, and I want you to make an ABC pattern with those. So it would be the first color, yellow, green, blue, yellow, green, blue. Can you do that for me? And then let me see it so you can share it with me. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and I cannot wait to see your ABC patterns. All right, ABC, do it again, ABC. A is the first color, B is the second color, and C is the third color. First, second, third, first, second, third.